Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the Honda head unit. Mine is a Honda Civic SC Plus 2015 Generation 9 UK hatchback. My head unit has the CM Droid installed already. So what you need this HDMI cable that has data transfer. It's called display port alternate mode, DP alternate mode. That's what your phone this HDMI cable needs. So I'm going to connect it. Damn it, turn this on. So what you need to do is you go to the HDMI. Sorry guys. So now I'm gonna connect this to my LG wing. So on the LG wing, you need to make sure the power supply is changed to file transfer. So there you go. That's the first step. But watch what happens when you start driving off. So in order to keep using your phone while driving, the system is kind of slow because it's an old unit. So what you need to do, you need to hold down the brightness and menu at the same time for 1 or 2 seconds, and then hold down the power button, all three at the same time. So I'm going to do this while I pause the video and get back to you, because last time I did it and then I reset the head unit. So there you go. You hold down the 3 buttons together for 5 seconds, and then you're going to enter the hidden menu. So what you do is you select the second one, and then you press the menu button for 7 to 10 seconds. So 1, and then you enter the second menu. So scroll down until you see the VSP error, and then turn that off, and then return to the main menu. Audio, sorry guys, my LG wing, if this happens, just disconnect it and then connect it back. So connected it back. So now you can drive off while your phone is connected. So this is the first step now.